You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this beautiful kinky curly 16-inch VPart wig. Yes, it's a wig. I can't believe it myself because the blend is perfect. Let me show you how I got this look. This final result, I'm blown away. Blown away. Like a quick 2-minute install, 3 minutes of blending my hair with the mousse. Like, this is flawless. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I am absolutely loving this kinky curly 16-inch VPart wig from Unice hair. I'm loving it. Loving it. Will definitely be seeing me rock this wig a lot. Like, really? Really? Yeah, they did this. Love it. So I just wanted to come back and show you what the side part looks like. And I actually think I like the side part better than the middle part. Let me know in the comment section below whether you're feeling middle part or this side part. I'm actually really can't even get my words together. Really loving this side part. And normally I wear my hair in a side part, so I think that's why I'm loving it. And this hair is just absolutely gorgeous. Again, all I did was just add a little mousse to it. Still have my leave out, so my hair is blending so well with this hair. Absolutely in love. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below whether you are team middle part or team side part. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried a VPart wig before. If you have, leave it in the comment section below. Let me know how it went. And also stay tuned because I have yet another VPart wig, and this one is kinky. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, I hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.